Hi guys, Rayan the Chatterbox here, and today I'm going to show you the cool trick of keeping a pencil in your nose and then sneezing it out. Like this. Keep the pen and hook. Now do achoo! That was pretty awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed the magic trick. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.